Police in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wilkinson County and central Georgia, southeastern Baldwin County and central Georgia, south central Hancock County and east central Georgia, southern Washington County and east central Georgia, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Deep Step to near McIntyre, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milledgeville, Centersville, Gordon, Tennille, Ivy, McIntyre, Toomsboro, Oconee, Deep Step, Midway Hardwick, Downs, Worthen, Coopers, Allenwood, Tanquist, Scottsboro, Hebron, and Hardwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.